Fly away, evil Akuma, and commiserate with this frustrated child.
The movie starts in 30 minutes. Or we could buy your book first and then go to the next showing.
Either way, girl. Marinette, 9 o'clock.
No, there's no 9 o'clock showing.
Not that 9 o'clock. This 9 o'clock.
Adrian.
Come on.
Sorry.
Puppeteer, I'm Hawkmoth. From now on, you can control anyone.
Even Ladybug and Cat Noir?
Yes, as long as you possess their dolls.
And I can win?
Yes, you will be able to win. But in return, you must do something for me.
Bring you their Miraculouses! I know!
What a smart little girl you are.
Wanna play a game? Help! I gotta get those Ladybug and Cat Noir dolls! I want those dolls!
I'm sure I left it in here. Ah, where is it? Ah, here it is. Sorry, Alec. Here's the file you need.
I wonder what station he's getting off at. Maybe he's going to the same movie. Oh, how cool would that be? But wait! But then he might think that we're following him, like stalkers. Me? A stalker? Ha! Although I would follow him. I mean, of course, I wouldn't really stalk him. Oh, am I kidding?
Who are you talking to? He's waving.
Oh, no, now what are we gonna do?
Wave back.
Okay, Lady Wi-Fi! Come to life!
What's going on? Oh, yeah!
Marinette! Give me those Ladybug and Cat Noir dolls!
Lady Wi-Fi?
No! I'm Puppeteer! And I want those dolls now!
Puppeteer? The dolls? I don't have them. They're at home. Why do you want them, Puppeteer?
Because you said I could have them, and then Mommy said no. So give them to me now, or you'll be super duper sorry.
No.
I want Ladybug and Cat Noir's Miraculouses to win! Forever and ever!
Manon, this isn't a game!
Excuse me, sir. There's, cat loose on the train.
What? Thanks, kiddo.
Cat! Plag, we have to transform.
Just when we'd shaken off your bodyguard.
Plag, claws out!
What about the movie? The buttery popcorn?
Tiki, I have to find a place to transform.
Hey, that was Lady Wi-Fi. Did that villain say anything to you?
I'm not sure, but, well, her voice belonged to a little girl I babysit. It's as if she was controlling my friend, Alia. I mean, Lady Wi-Fi from a distance. This is so weird.
And what was all this talk about dolls?
I've got some dolls at home that she likes to play with.
Your dolls? Okay, where do you live?
12 Rue Gottlieb.
I'll take care of it.